जराळांक लागून पातळपी दुयेंसांचेर नियंत्रण दवरप तशेंच गांवगिऱ्या वाठारांतल्यो बांय नितळ करप, बांदकाम सुवातींचेर काम करपी कामगारांनी नितळसाण कशी पाळची ह्या विशीं खासा बसका जाली. दक्षिण गोंयच्या जिल्लो अधिकाऱ्यांच्या अध्यक्षते खाला ही बसका जाल्या. ह्या वेळार गोवा कॅन संस्थेचे वांगडी हाजीर आशिल्ले.
So today, the South Goa District Committee on Prevention of Vector-borne Diseases was held under the chairmanship of Collector South Goa, Ma'am Jyoti Kumari. And the most important point was to increase the public participation in the prevention of vector-borne diseases. Today's meeting high point was the identification of high-risk areas. Now this is a very significant thing. So the high-risk areas has been reduced to areas which may be a ward of a municipality or a ward of a panchayat. So one decision was taken today is to identify the ward number or of a municipality or panchayat. So it becomes more crystal clear where the problem is. Second part is that to get proactive involvement of Water Resources Department to register and popularize the maintenance of wells, especially the unused wells, which are can become the breeding spots.